In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a blurry image in Canva. First, open Canva on your device and click Create a New Design. Once the design page opens, look at the left sidebar where you will see different options. Scroll down and click on the Apps section. Inside Apps, select the Image Enhancer tool. This feature helps improve the quality of blurry or low-resolution images. Now, upload the image you want to fix and select it. After uploading the image, click on the Generate option. The Image Enhancer will automatically process the image and improve its sharpness and clarity. When the enhancement is complete, apply the changes and add the improved image to your design. Finally, click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download to save the enhanced image to your device. And that's it. That's how you can easily fix a blurry image using Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.